Alright, we're here in our Jayco 26BH. We recently bought this camper. We've been using a Jayco Octane for a number of years. And I wanted to focus just on this little couch. Familiar probably with these little couches they have in the front of the Jayco. And as we were setting it up and cleaning it out and getting used to stuff, we accidentally knocked the cover off the front of the couch here. Long 6.5 foot board that just had some hooks on it that hung on the front. And as we did, we realized while the left side of the couch over here had a bunch of mechanicals in it, the right side was wide open, and we thought that'd be a great place to keep all the kids' games and toys and all that stuff. So we took off that cover and built a new one, and I got some pictures there to show you of that. We had this vinyl left over from another camper project as we reupholstered some stuff and fixed some stuff, and had this vinyl that worked just fine and wrapped the board much like it was originally. And because of that, we were able to add quite a bit of little storage down there. I like to do that. I hate to see leftover storage or not used storage or inaccessible storage in one of our campers. And so the next one I'm probably going to attack, I see some other people have done as well, is that little spot right up there. Big void above the microwave there that could clearly be used as well. So we'll work on that next time.